enjoy Japanese okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki is a Japanese street food. Okay, let's enjoy cooking!
First, make the sauce for the okonomiyaki. Add 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of honey to a small frying pan and mix well. Place the frying pan on the stove and turn on the heat. Heat the sauce over medium heat and bring to a boil. The okonomiyaki sauce is completed. Next, prepare the ingredients for okonomiyaki. Cut 100 grams of cabbage into thin strips. Cut it as thin as possible. Next, peel the skin of the yam. Today, I only use 100 grams of it. Grate the Japanese yam. Next, add the cabbage, yam, egg, and flour to a bowl. If you have dashi powder, add 1/2 teaspoon of it. Then, mix them well. The okonomiyaki dough is completed. Next, prepare a frying pan or an electric griddle. Heat an electric griddle to medium heat and spread the oil. Place half of the dough on the griddle and form into a circle. Fry it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, arrange 3 pieces of pork on top of the dough. Flip the okonomiyaki. This is a little difficult. Furthermore, fry the okonomiyaki for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn off the heat. Spread the sauce on your okonomiyaki. Next, top with mayonnaise. Sprinkle with seaweed powder. Add the Bonito flakes. Finally, top with Japanese pickles, red pickled ginger. Japanese okonomiyaki is completed. Transfer the okonomiyaki to a plate. Japanese street food, okonomiyaki is ready. Use the remaining dough to make another okonomiyaki. Japanese street food, okonomiyaki is ready. Okonomiyaki is a Japanese street food, but it is also popular among Japanese people as a home-cooked dish. This is easy to make, so please enjoy making okonomiyaki at home.
Thank you for your viewing. How was Japanese okonomiyaki? Don't you think it looks so yummy? Please try it. If you enjoyed this video, please check my YouTube channel and that like button. I'm looking forward to your comments. See you next week.